Oi! Oi! Coming! These two. Today's plan, I'm following these two. We are going all the way to SM, Santa Rosa, the place that I went to before. Obviously for the same reason, Ricky also have a problem with his SIM card. We're gonna go and fix his SIM card also at the same place, Smart Shop, SM Santa Rosa. Anyway, we're taking jeepney all the way from here to Balibago, and then Balibago take a second jeepney to SM. So there's accident up there. 2-car accident a few minutes ago. We're supposed to get jeepney direct from AUP all the way to Balibago and then to SM, only 2 jeepney. But this one doesn't want to wait. She doesn't want to wait all that long, so we have to come down to Tagalia to get
and to wait again. But at least we're sitting down waiting.
Yeah, and then wait for the modern jeep, Philippine modern jeep. The bus station is on that side. So our new detour trip is AUP, Novali, Balibago, and then SM. 3 stops. SM. Anyway, what do you guys think about modern Jeep? I mean, it has everything, air condition, handlebar, but it's still cramped up. Now, as a foreigner, I'm kind of like in between. I mean, in the middle, where the everyone grew up knowing about Philippines and its jeepney, and now the modern jeepney is taking away all those. It's like Philippines losing one of its biggest legacy and attraction and what a pride of Philippines. So we're gonna go and fix Ricky's SIM card first. Unfortunately, Ricky, his SIM card, there's no SIM card, there's no stock. So they just told him to write his number down, leave his phone number, and then they said first week of July, which is next week, he has to come and pick it up. So Wednesday, we might come back again. Anyway, while waiting for Vivian, he wants to do her stuff. I'm gonna check out the Pride Month parade right now. Kind of thing. We are done from SM. Our journey doing events work has progressed to Balibago now. We finally done. This woman have dragged us through the graves, concrete grave of Philippines. I feel exhausted just walking around. Anyway, yeah, we're done. We're heading home now. It's 3:30. It is 4:47 and we are going home. We're getting on the modern jeepney again. Anyway, we just done from buying fan for Andrea. And now we are going up home. We leave the house around 10 p.m. a.m. and now 4:47 p.m. we are going home. been a journey. 10, 11, 12, 7 hours, bro. We've been out for 7 hours. 7 hours of journey. And now we are back. Yeah, anyway, we are done from all these rounds. All the way from SM all to Balibago, and now we are home. See you on the next one.